Hi guys, welcome back. Today's is the second lesson about places around town. We're going to be learning some new grammar today. I hope you're ready. Well, let's get ready by looking at today's objectives. The first objective says, I can understand and use common prepositions of location. Prepositions of location are words like on, or next to, or between, on the corner of, and across from. We'll have some practice with that in a bit. The second objective says, I can answer questions about where places around town are by using these prepositions of location. Let's go ahead and look at the grammar focus for today. Today's grammar focus is about prepositions of location. Again, words that fall under the category of prepositions of location are words like on, next to, across from, on the corner of, and between. Let's look at exactly what these prepositions mean. If we look at the pictures that you see on your screen, you will see a question. Where is the bank? Now remember, this has a contraction. Where is and where's. Where's is the contraction for where is. I'm going to use the contraction when asking the question. So, here we go. Where's the bank? Answer. It's on Stone Avenue. Where's the bank? It's next to the park. Where's the bank? It's across from the library. Where's the bank? It's between the park and the school. Where's the bank? It's on the corner of Bridge Avenue and Water Street. Did you see the other contraction in this grammar focus? It's the contraction it's. It's is the contraction for it is. Let's go ahead and practice these prepositions of locations. In a minute, you're going to see a map of the places around town we've learned today. You're going to use that information to describe where things are. Let's go ahead and look at the picture and we'll understand a little bit better. So on your screen, you see a map. This is a map of several places around town. You're going to look at the question and choose from the choices below to describe exactly where things are. Let's do number 1 together. Number 1 says, where's the train station? We have it's blank, the school. Below, you see the word next to, on, across from, or between. I'm going to look for the train station and decide, is it next to the school, on the school, across from the school, or between the school? What do you think? If you think that the train station is across from the school, then you're correct. Let's do the next sentences on your own. Pause the video and write down your answers. When you've completed your questions and answers, then hit play and you'll hear me give you the correct answer. Go ahead and pause your video now. All right, let's see how we did. We already did number 1, where's the train station? And we said that it was across from the school. Now let's look at the rest. Number 2, where's the drugstore? It's between the post office and the movie theater. Number 3, where's the church? If you said it's on the corner of Central Avenue and 2nd Street, you're correct. Number 4, where's the bank? It's next to the police station. Number 5, where's the library? If you said it's on 1st Street, then you're correct. So hopefully that activity helped you understand better about prepositions of location. Let's look at today's objectives and see how we did. Do you understand and can you use common prepositions of location? Like on, across from, between, next to? I think you can. Can you answer questions about where places around town are located? We had some practice with that too. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.